For more on this, we're delighted to be joined over the telephone by our guest, Dr. Asmaa Elzieny, the researcher at Al-Azhar University. Doctor, a very good afternoon to you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, and thank you for having me.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for your time this afternoon. Now, Doctor, let's talk about the purpose of the first UN Roundtable on Artificial Intelligence and Human Development, which was hosted at Al-Azhar University here in Egypt.
This is a so crucial and important roundtable discussion.
Yes.
Because it gathers Egypt's senior officials, Minister of Foreign Affairs, Dr. Badr Abdel-Aati, and senior officials of UN to say it clearly, openly, that Egypt is a partner in governance of AI, not only application of this technology in our administrative system or whatsoever or services, but being able to be a practicing partner in the governance of this very important tool.
Indeed. Now, Doctor, as you said, this is indeed a very important development and a great event as well to be hosted here in Egypt. Let's talk a bit about the importance of the development of AI and human development at the same time, specifically in light of this very important sector and this growing segment in countries all around the world, specifically as well in Africa.
AI became like a part and parcel of our daily life.
Yes.
It's turning into all fields, not only academic research, not only governmental performance. It's becoming affecting our life, like the whole world is competing on who is going to own the latest tools for using governance, using AI. But a very important section is the moral and ethical part about how to have rational usage of this very beneficial technology. And Egypt, in partnership with the UN, is saying to the South and to Africa and the whole world that we are here. We are not normally users. We are the people who are affecting other people's usage of this very important technology. That's why this important roundtable is held here in Egypt, as is held inside Al-Azhar University as well, because we are telling the whole world that we are not keen only about using the technology of AI, but we are keen on having the ethics, the cultural and moral way of showing the whole world how important this tool is.
Absolutely, Doctor. Very important issue, of course. Let's talk a bit about some of the national measures that are being taken by Egypt to establish this comprehensive AI governance framework, as you said.
An important step that Egypt has taken is the National Council for Rationalizing the Usage of AI. We are making sure that we are in line with the SDG, the Sustainable Development Goals, that we are in line with this while applying this very new up-to-date technology to all sides of life. An important part that we need the youth, an important thing that came inside today's roundtable, that Dr. Badr Abdel-Aati and the UN officials assured that this is another step toward this youth empowerment and human development in general. We are using this tool as part of Egypt's soft power. We are assuring that we are in line with the Sustainable Development Goals and also Egypt's national development strategy.
Now, Dr. Asmaa, the significance of establishing this National Council for Artificial Intelligence, quantum computing and emerging technologies, how important is this, and in what ways does this establishment of this council alter the way that Egypt moves in with its usage of AI?
Yes, Egypt is always catching all the latest development in all fields, and this is not strange, because we are affirming every day that we have this leadership in Africa, that we are rationalizing introducing the usage of AI to the whole of the youth in Africa. We are telling our people, our national people, and also the African, our neighbors and our partners, that we are able to use this. But we need to have it in a way that sticks to our values and our manners as well. And this was very clear during today's round table discussion.
Now let's talk a bit about how AI can also support other sectors and development with regards, for example, to the scientific research, innovation, economic development, entrepreneurship, and how it can be incorporated responsibly, if you may, into different sectors in society.
Honestly, AI could be so beneficial in different fields, in academic research, in industry, and even in finishing everyday work. Condition that this usage should be rationalized and in a manner that adds to the value of the human. It helps you to finish your work in a more efficient way, in a quicker way, in a greater amount. AI is able to deal and process with a huge amount of information and can produce, in case it is fed with the accurate orders and the very good way of usage, it could be so helpful in different fields.
Absolutely. We'll leave it at that. Yes. Thank you very much.
Today's event was to assure this.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, our dear guest, Dr. Asmaa Elzieny, a researcher from Al-Azhar University. Many thanks.